Okay, this acrylic sight and sound, acrylic on paper, is a out and out abstracted landscape, suggested landscape. Although in this case, the starting point was not an actual place, but what I rarely do is start from pure imagination and recall experiences I've had in the landscape. So basically, earth, sky, clouds, foliage. But my concerns were with the interplay of shapes and colors. Some line work showing through, overpainted with complex patterns of colors played off against large simple areas, and conveying a feeling of outdoors and sunlight without actually recording a specific place. Okay, this painting, pretty abstract painting called Sight and Sound. It was an abstract landscape. This is how it started off. And I just dealt with the main components of the landscape: sky, foreground, middle ground. And in organizing the complex shapes here in the foreground, after I looked at it, it strongly suggested to me music for some reason, and still does. And I think the relationship to music and the natural world is a kind of powerful relationship. It's a purely subjective idea, and maybe no one else will see it, but I feel it pretty well.